Alright guys, I'm actually gonna show you how to do your recording and how to record your voice and sound from games at the same time. Now, a lot of people think you want your voice recorded straight from your mic. You actually don't. What you want is you're going to hit recording devices, whichever one yours is, click it, and you're going to listen tab. Now this is Windows 7. I'll have to, I think I can remember how to do it, and what's it called? XP. But, when you want to listen to your, basically what you're doing is listening to your own self-talk while you're listening to your game music, videos of music, or just music. That way they both get recorded and are at equal levels with each other. Now, if you need to, well, let's just do this first. Go, I don't know, I didn't explain what I did. Right click your sound mixer down here. Hit recording devices, go to headset, or whichever microphone you use that's plugged up. Make sure it's enabled. Hit listen and go listen to this device. Check that tab, hit apply. Okay, that's it. You're good to go. You can listen to yourself talk, and you'll be able to hear your video game audio or videos audio, whatever, along with your own voice. Um, Now, if you need to turn your mic down, just scroll through these tabs. Levels will be your microphone. Now, this microphone just has a microphone label, but some of them have, I think it's microphone and then microphone boost. And it's in like, I had one that was 10, 20, 30. Just ups your mic a freaking truckload. And it's very loud, very audible. Uh, um, yeah, that's about it. Now, XP, uh, shoot. Now, an XP, assuming anyone watching this will actually use XP anymore, I doubt it. But, off chance, uh, in XP, you have to, I know you have to click it and you'll bring up your volume, well, your volume mixer like this. Up here, there'll be a tab, like, I think it's file maybe. And you have to go in the recording and click stereo mix. I have to go in the recording tab and click stereo mix. I can't remember everything to the T. You got to forgive me on that. I know it's got something to do with open up your mixer, which you right click, then open volume mixer. And you'll go to file, maybe, I think it's file, then configure, and then you'll find your recording tab. It'll be somewhere, it'll be a tab, or it'll be a scroll down little box that you scroll down, and it'll have recording in it, and you click it, and it'll come up with one of these, and you unmute your mic and click stereo mix. Make sure that's checked. I think that's it. That's how you do it. Well, that was a short video. Not as long as I thought it'd be. Well, heck, since I'm here, new mic, guys. Let me see what it is. Matter of fact, I'll just show you. Well, nah, I got stuff uploading right now. Uploading right now. Don't want to mess with the internets. Moment. Alright. Let's see. Creative Sound Blaster Tactic 3D Alpha. That's what it is. Awesome. Awesome headset. Let's see what it says here. Well, come on now. They usually got stuff advertised. Well, what it comes with is a USB headphone and microphone jack. Now, normally, apologies, bumped my earphone. Now, normally these would actually reduce the quality of your sound because they don't put out enough power to support your microphone and headphones. But the one this one comes with is just on some boss. I don't know. He's eating some Raisin Bran or something and pumps it up to actually increase the quality of your sound, microphone, and everything. And it's not just built for this microphone or this headset specifically either. You can actually plug in any microphone or speakers, other headphones, etc., etc. It's all really nice. Nice 3D surround sound. As you can hear, the mic is. If you go and listen to my mic from some of my other playthroughs, Mega Man or Saga Frontier, you can hear that mic has. That's a very cheap mic. I think I got it for $10 maybe. Something like that. Very low. And, train of thought has gone. Right. Has a bunch of static, very low quality mic. A lot of static. I had a lot of problems with it. Like, I had to configure it just the right way to where if I had it up too high, it would actually screech in my ear and create this very high pitched noise. I guess too loud. The microphone was too loud for the speakers in the headphones when I was listening to myself or something. I don't know. Either way. But as you can hear from this one, no static, nothing. It's amazing. I was actually just baffled when I first heard it and heard myself speak on it. I was expecting a little bit of static, but I hear nothing at all. Picked it up for $40 on Amazon. So you should be able to just go in there and it is a USB headset, but that's just the converter. You can plug it into your normal jacks or whatever in your computer. But again, I don't recommend it. I would just recommend using the USB because it actually ups the quality and everything. So, but yeah, Amazon, $40. Creative Sound Blaster Tactic 3D Alpha. Yeah. Experience the evolution of 3D gaming audio with the dual mode Sound Blaster Tactic 3D Alpha gaming headset. Nice. Alright, that's about it, guys. If you need a nice mic, there's a nice mic. Amazon, $40. Shipping's like 2 days for $8 or something. There's your recording sound. Freaking sensitive too. Do you hear this? Listen. You hear that? That's a freaking mouse. That's my space bar. It's ridiculous. Anyway, quick recap. Recording devices. No. Listen to this device. Yeah, that's about it. concerning sound. Oh, the headset has a detachable. There we go. Man, I have some serious speech issues. Detachable mic. So if you don't want your mic there, freaking take it off. Very easy. Love it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you next time. Later, dudes.